Wow. This is amazing. Amazing. Guys, I'm so excited to let you know we'll be using this apartment for the boot camp. You can see everywhere is just looking so bright and great. We'll be here trading live. The FX boot camp is about to get lit. Okay, come. This is an amazing place you can chill. You can see. We're not playing. We're not playing. We're not playing. We're not playing. Guys, come on. What are you waiting for? Come, let's trade live and milk it. Don't make some dollars. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. You can decide to cook and have a meal. So come. This is also an amazing place for you. You can cook. After trading, you eat. Wow, wow, wow. This is great. This is great. Guys, I don't think you want to miss out on this. Professional coaches will be here to trade with you, well relaxed. You'll be relaxed and you trade. You have the opportunity to ask questions. You have the opportunity to see for yourself how this whole trading stuff goes. Proper risk management will be taught, which is one basic thing that would help you stay in the market for a long time. And other things too you need to know as a beginner. First, 10 a.m. I'll be here to brush you beginners, give you the basics and let you know how to open trade, how to close trade, the terminologies involved in forex trading. That is the first thing I'll be doing on Monday morning. So guys, I don't think you want to miss out. You're that person that always want to learn forex trading. This is an opportunity for you. Christmas is around the corner. Don't you want to make some money for Christmas? Guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. Come on guys, let's trade live. Let's trade live. Let's learn forex trading. What are you waiting for? Let's